Okay guys, for this video I would like to show how to use a simple on-off switch, how to wire the on-off switch and push on switch and a micro switch here. So here is we're going to use 9V battery power source, and this is positive wire from battery, and this is the positive wire to the lamp, and this is negative wire from battery and negative wire to the lamp here. So first of all, we connect the power source to the battery right here, and here we get positive battery, negative battery, and negative to negative you connect here. Negative wire to the lamp, negative here, and positive to positive. So the moment you supply it like this, positive to positive, negative to negative, the light will turn on. And if you want to use the switch, what you're gonna do is you just remove from one wire here. So we cut off here, and one side from the battery positive here. This just for demonstration, so just simply use here. I'm not going to tie it, just for demonstration. So as long as connection here, so negative wire remain to negative of the lamp here, positive wire coming to push button one side pin, and from the other side connect to the lamp here. Now if you press the button, the light will on, release off. So the moment you press, then the light is turned on. So this is how to wire 2 pins push button. So this is just push to on, release off. And if we want to use the normal rocker switch here, and this is 2 wire rocker switch, no matter 2 wire or 3 wire, it doesn't matter. You can just use 2 pins. You just need to use 2 pins. One side for the in from the battery, the other side is to out from the battery. So the best thing is, before you start with the switch, you remove the battery, so this is going to be safe. So you tie it like this. Either you use the battery or DC power supply, depending on your load. Now okay, now the switch is on and the light is turned on. You should not touch positive, and negative should not touch, must not touch. So you need to split it up. So this is the wiring here. Positive wire, common wire to one side of the pin here, and the other side positive wire connect directly to the lamp. So if we make it on and off the switch here, we control. Okay, now it's off. Turn on. So this is how to simple use the rocker switch 2 pin. If we're gonna use this is micro switch. If you want to use as push to on, you need to choose the pin. So common COM is from the input from the battery, and there is normally open and normally closed. So to use as a push button, we use common in, normally open out. Remove the battery here. So from the switch, from the battery coming to the common pin, and from the lamp side connect to normally open. So all the things going to be right on the switch pin here. So now our connection is done here. Then you connect to the battery here. So this is micro switch. Positive coming to common, and positive out from normally open and the lamp, and negative directly connect to the lamp here. Now you press the button here. So this used as push button. Let's say if you connect from normally closed, common is always coming from the battery and connect to the common here. And if you want to use as normally closed, this switch we use as the push to off. Okay, now our switch, the wire out is from normally closed circuit. So now if you press the button here, the moment you press, the switch will off. So this is become the reverse. So this is how to use switch. No matter how many voltage you give from here, and this is depends on the loop. Let's say if I use the motor here, so from positive, the light still there. So if you use AC 200 voltage, 240 voltage, and when you are doing the wiring, the supply you must off. It's the best way to be safety. You must remove when you're wiring. After your wiring complete, then only do you on the power for your safety. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand how to use the switch.